They say early bird catches worms, and today our worm is this Mitsubishi Lancer. Welcome back to B Autospace. My name is Bernard. For the new guys in the channel, kindly ensure that you subscribe, like the video and share. Now these cars are in Ngara, right? For those who are asking for the location, the cars are in Ngara, but some of them are also in different parts of Nairobi, like Umoja, zingine Komarok, zingine Kiambu Road. So always just mark the car that you are looking for and then you let us know. Now this Mitsubishi comes with the 1.5 liter, that is 1500cc engine capacity with a manual gear transmission. Kuna watu wengi ambao wamekuwa wakiitisha gari ya manual. Sasa gari ya manual ndio hii. And I think this is a perfect match with the budget that is quoted. Now if you are working with a budget of 450, kujia hii gari 450,000 Kenyan shillings, and the price is negotiable. Please come for this car. The owner is here. Huyu mtu mwenye yako hapo nyuma na hiyo kofia kubwa, huyo ndo sasa mwenyewe ako hapa. Tunapiga hii picha, tukishapiga picha anaenda na hii gari kwake. Yeah, let me show the interior. You can see the door panels looks very clean, and of course it comes with 4 power window control system, and generally the interior of the car looks perfect. No need to do anything in the interior since there is no crack, there is no torn seat, kila kitu iko sawa. Watu wangu wa mbio, watu wangu ambao wanatafuta magari za manual, ndio hii gari sasa. Kujieni hii Mitsubishi Lancer with only for 50,000. Na kumbuka hiyo bei ni negotiable. It's a 5-seater car by the way. The interior is super clean. Yeah, so with only a budget of 450, you are good to go. If you are interested and you are ready, you've been looking for Mitsubishi Lancer that is clean, that is going on offer, please, you can call my number or you can WhatsApp me. But if you just want to see the photos, for those who are still making their plans, wale ambao bado wanajipanga, you can view the photos through B Autospace Facebook page. Photos za hii gari, hizi gari zote ziko hapo. So after this we are going to post the photos there. So kama kuna ile gari yenye imekupendeza na ungependa kuona picha zake, you can just visit our Facebook page and you'll be good to go. Yeah, so hivyo ndo gari inakaa. Let's move to the next unit. Still we are in Ngara. This is Toyota Raum, the old shape model, right? Red wine in color. Inakuja na 1.5 liter petrol engine, that is 1500cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission. Gari ni 5-seater. It's a buy and drive. And by the way, what I've realized is that in Ngara these cars are very clean, right? Look at this one, KAX. Gari ni ya 1999, and you can't imagine that these are 1999 year of make car. Yeah, inakaa safi sana with a budget of 450. By the way, bado ni 450 with a budget of 450, and the price is negotiable. You can come for this car with a budget of 450. You can come for it. Now if you are interested, just call my number. I call the owner to bring the car, because some of them just come and park the cars here and then they leave, but many a times wanakuaga. So kama unataka hiyo gari, just call or WhatsApp me. Kama bado unataka tu kuangalia pictures and all that, you can visit B Autospace Facebook page and you can see the photos there. Yeah, na pia kama unataka, we are growing that page as well, so you can just send a friend request so that we can accept, so that anytime we post any video, or rather we post any photo, you can be able to view the photo as the very first person. Yeah, ndo usipitishwe na offers zenye ziko. With a budget of 450, you are good to go. Watu ambao wamekuwa wakiitisha Toyota Raum old shape, ndio hiyo sasa. Gari safi kabisa. Now that we are approaching December, you guys should come for these units as soon as possible to avoid the rush at the during this festive season. So let me show the bonnet area. Hivyo ndo inakaa. It also looks pretty good. Now with a budget of 450, that is what you can get in Nairobi. We are still in Ngara, and there is a car that has been brought here by the owner. When he brought this car, I took a video, and I think I had posted it sometimes back, with 570,000 Kenyan shillings. This is Toyota Passo. Year of make ni 2014, red wine in color, 1000cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission. It's really a nice car, accident free. You can check from the exterior, looking very pretty, very pretty. And with a budget of 570, slightly negotiable, you can get yourself this beautiful car. Now, in the normal market, this car goes at around 650 or around 700 thereof, negotiable. But since this one is on offer, you only need to come with 570. Na nikikwambia kwamba ni 570, don't think that the car has got any issue. The car is an accident free and mechanically it is fit. So with that budget, you are guaranteed to get this unit for yourself. The owner is here, he's sitting at the back. So anytime, he told me that anytime I get a client who is ready with around 570 or 560 thereof, I should call him immediately to bring the car. So hii pia iko na mwenyewe, ameileta tu tupige picha alafu aende nayo. So kama unataka hiyo gari, just call us. And by the way, for your information, we are not doing any delivery to any customer. We are sorry for that. Especially following the recent incidences that we have in the country, we are not doing any delivery to any client. Please, if you are interested in any unit, come to the field. Just ask where the car is, come view the car. After that, let us do the agreement, the sales agreement that is, and then thereafter drive home. Na kama hujui kuendesha, please come with your driver, uendeshe gari uende nayo nyumbani. We are not delivering any car to any person anywhere, right? Of course, we had stated that before because so many people were requesting for eti tuwapelekee gari waone, and at the same time they didn't want to pay for the fuel. Yeah, that is why even during that time we cancelled hiyo issue ya kupelekea client gari aende aone. Client akuje field aone gari. Of course, it's way cheaper as compared to fueling the car. If you fuel the car, you might use a lot, but ukikuja we mwenyewe, pengine ukitumia Uber or ukitumia tu matatu, it will be cheaper for you. So with a budget of 570, you're good to go there. Now, we have another unit. This is Toyota Belta, and still in Ngara. This is Toyota Belta, KCM number plate. Gari ni ya 2010, silver in color. It comes with 1.3 liter, that is 1300cc engine capacity. Remember, we have 1300 engine capacity and 1000 engine capacity for Toyota Belta. And the difference between the two is that the one for 1300cc has got more better performance as compared to the one of 1000cc. That is the only difference. So ile ingine iko na power kuliko ya 1300cc iko na power kuliko ile ya 1000cc. That's the difference. So hii ni ya 2010 inakuja na 1300cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission. If you are interested in this car, kindly note that it is going at 670, and remember the price is negotiable. The car is an accident free, mechanically iko sound, gearbox iko sawa, suspension, engine running smoothly, and it is ready to hit the road. It also comes with 4-power window control system, you can see there, and the interior also looks pretty clean. If you are working with a budget of only 670, please come for this car, drive home comfortably. And by the way, sometimes you guys normally call with let's say just a range of budgets. I always advise you guys, when you are calling, please be specific on what you are looking for and the budget that you are working with. See, some of you normally call and you state that you are working with a budget of 350,000, but in real sense you are looking for a car worth 500. Unajua sasa hapo hatutaelewana vizuri, kwa sababu mtakupatia ya 300 or 350, but in your mind you are looking for something that is worth 500, right? Now next we have a Nissan B15 KBB number plate. Gari ni ya 2002, white in color, inakuja na 1.5 liter petrol engine with an automatic gear transmission, 5-seater car, and this car is a buy and drive. Just some few touches, especially at the front bumper, but generally the car is in good condition and it is ready to hit the road. If you are looking for Nissan B15, kuna hii gari hapa hivi. Interior also looks not that bad, though some few touches are needed to be done. But if you're looking for the Nissan B15, come for this one with 290. So imagine with 290 you are good to go. Unapata gari yako automatic and it is a buy and drive. Yeah, especially for first time car buyers, when you still just want to learn more about your car, you can come for that unit. Haya, next tuko na hii Toyota Vitz. Hii Toyota Vitz inakuja na 1000cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission, 5-seater car. It also comes with those chrome wheels. Alafu just a buy and drive, by the way. Mechanical iko sound, engine iko sawa, gearbox pia iko sawa. Hii pia mwenyewe anatumia. By the way, you see that series over there still available for sale. I think wakati nilikuwa nachukua hii video mwenyewe pia alikuwa hapa karibu, but he is going to leave this place immediately. So kama umekuwa ukitafuta Toyota Vitz the old shape model, please come for this one with only 310, and remember the price is negotiable slightly. Now some people normally think that we can do a discount of 100,000 or 50 on these cars that are ranging that are below a million. That is a lie, because you can't expect, for this one you can't expect it to go from 310 to 210. Normally the discount that is always being quoted on every car is around 30 to 50,000, of which 50,000 lazima hiyo gari kuwe of higher value. Yeah, so next unit that we have is also another Toyota Vitz KAY number plate, silver in color, inakuja na 1000cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission. Ndo imeletwa sahi, just doing some few touches on it, and of course ni buy and drive. Pia inakuja na new or rather reflective number plates. Your spare wheel over there, you can see jack, kila kitu iko hapo. And this one is also a 5-seater car. Kama umekuwa ukitafuta Toyota Vitz the old shape model, please come for this car also with 310, na ni automatic, hii si manual. Alafu inakuja na 4-power window control system, you can see over there. Something that maybe I've not talked about is mambo ya financing kwa hizi magari. Like unaona kama hizi za Toyota Vitz, especially hizi old model, kupata finance kwa hizi gari zinakuwa shida sana, kwa sababu because of the age, I don't think there are companies that are willing to finance you on these cars. The reason why they always become selective in financing these cars is because of the ability, or rather how quick can they resell this car in case you are not able to pay and they repossess it back. So that's why they always prefer they finance new cars, because you see new cars, they will be sold easily wherever they are repossessed as compared to old cars. We are back to Ngara. We have a Toyota Ractist. Previously this car was going at of course inakuja na 1500cc engine na 1500cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission, 5-seater car. Kitambo hii gari ilikuwa inatoka 780, but guess what, as we speak now the price has reduced by 30,000. So this car right now is going at 750, and it is slightly negotiable. The only discount that will be done on this car is 10,000. Beyond that, I can't promise any other discount on it. So with the 750, you are good to go with this unit. For those who have been looking for Toyota Ractist, I've been receiving quite a number of inquiries. Mwenyewe ndo huyo ako hapo ndani, so we don't want to show the face for data privacy issues. So that is how the interior looks like. Pretty clean, nothing needs to be done. Yeah, and of course it's a 5-seater car. Pia inakuja na armrest, alafu ni buy and drive. Mechanically iko sound and just a buy and drive. Yeah, so kama Ractist, I think you can get quite a number of offers from different companies, that is the financing companies, considering this one is kama 2010 ama 209 model, kind of still new, but this one cannot be financed by bank. I know some people normally cheat you that, you see, we are going to find a bank to finance you on a car that was manufactured in the year 2005. Kindly note that banks go hand in hand with KRA. Like right now, KRA is not going to accept any car that is of 2018 year of make and above, starting from 16th of is it 16th of 1st of or 2nd of December. They're not going to accept any. Well, I stand guided, but they're not going to accept any car except the one for 2019 and above. So the same to banks, they cannot finance you if your car if the car of your choice is below 2019 as at today. Yeah, but some of them can finance up to 2018 today. Now last but not least, we have Mazda Demio. And this Mazda Demio comes with 1300cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission. With a budget of 550, kuja uende na hii gari nyumbani. Up to this moment, allow me say thank you so much for all those who have made it to this end. And for those who are sending their inquiries, please be guided, be specific on the budget and the unit you are looking for. Thank you and see you in the next video.